Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Hanu, you're watching Daily Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can download the latest app on any Xiaomi device. So if you are using the Poco F1 or either you are using the Mi 8, Mi 6 or even you're using the Redmi series, that Redmi Note 5, Redmi Note 6 Pro. So if you want to download the latest update of Miui version, so it's simple and easy process that you can download without rooting your mobile phone or without externally downloading that file. So it's a very easy process. All you have is to change your country location. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can download that software update and how you can do the settings. So without wasting time, let's continue the video. And before moving on, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So either like or dislike, but do subscribe and don't forget to get notified for the more videos. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Anok, you're watching Daily Tutorial. So let me help you with this, that how you can download the latest update on any Xiaomi device, so whether it's the Redmi series or the Poco series or the Mi series. So for this purpose you have to change your country location. For this purpose you have to go to the settings and then additional settings. Here you will see the region option. Otherwise you can search in the setting the region and then you can change it. So you can change the country location to any other country except Pakistan, India. So for this purpose you have to know that in which country they rolled out the first MIUI update. So right now they are updated in the Italy region, so you can change your country location to Italy or France. So I changed it to the France and I received the update. So you can simply get the latest MIUI update by changing your country location to the France. So for more videos and for more updates you can subscribe to my channel. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you next time.